Happy Journal Day, everybody! So, eto nga, ang dami niyong nakikita dito sa aking table. Yes, these are kits that you can see here kasi marami nagsasabi sa akin na first time pa lang nila or gusto pa lang nilang mag-try mag-journaling, and then, they were thinking dahil ang dami nga nilang nakikita na mga stickers, mga ephemera, mga iba't iba pang mga items, stationary items that they think they wanted to, try on. Kaso lang, masyadong marami agad yung mga items na yun. So, syempre, usually, pag stickers, mga booklets, and things like that. So, what I thought would be beneficial for everybody if you're just a starter sa journaling or gusto mo lang matry if journaling is for you, I made this kit. So, if you're interested, let me know so that I can give you more idea about this journaling kit. And because we're talking about journaling din naman, and I'm showing you, or I've shown you rather, yung journaling kit na meron tayo that you can actually try, I would also wanted to show you naman kung ano yung pwede nyong gawin dun sa journaling kit. So, here's one of the example that you can try on your own kapag nakuha nyo na yung kit. So, usually, may mga ibang tao na hindi naman talaga sila masulat, right? Hindi, ang gusto lang nila is to try it out kung they can actually make some story out of the journal kit na meron sila or out of those stickers or even stationaries or ephemera na meron sila. So, this is one good example that I think you can try on your end kung magugustuhan nga ninyo ang pag-journal, whether it's writing or whether it is actually a picture-like journaling. Ayan. So, as you can see here, so I'm trying to capture yung mga kinain ko. So, eto, pwede nyo gamitin yung mga stickers to draw a picture that, there's something that you like very much nung kumakain ka. Or, instead of sticker, you can also try to print your own pictures doon sa mga restaurants na pinuntahan mo, or even your favorite food of the week. So, pwede mo rin yung i-journal, right? Apart from that, you can also just, capture some random thoughts o kaya phrases, and then you can incorporate some lady stickers here para lang, magkaroon ka ng vibe na, oh, this is you talking about your day, right? So, makikita nyo dito, I put in a little bit of spaces here para dyan naman ako magsusulat ng i-journal ko. But in your case, if you're not too much into really writing on your journal, it's okay to fill this up with photos or even with stationaries and with stickers, however you wanted it to be. So, wala talagang rules or wala namang, do's and don'ts or whatnot sa pagjo-journal. Because journaling is also an expression of art, right? It's your personality. It is how you wanted to drive your journal. So, makikita nyo actually sa iba't iba kong journal. Meron akong journal na specific for just puro writing. May mga journal naman ako na puro mga paints or I draw or, mga ano lang, kung ano-ano lang. I also do a lot of stamping in my journal. So, here, I'm just giving you a few ideas kung ano pa yung pwede nyong gawin. So, meron din ako ditong journal card. I just, hinati ko siya sa dalawa, or I folded it here and then I put it here. So, pwede ka maglagay dito ng notes, ng pictures, what have you, kung ano man yung gusto mong ilagay dyan. Tapos, eto actually, this is just a memo pad. Tapos, ginawa ko lang siyang, finold ko lang siya into two para maging, maging envelope, kung saan ilalagay ko tong bookmark, or you can also make it as your photo. So, these are some of the tips that I can share with you. And again, if you're interested, I have a lot of starter kit if you wanted to do journaling. Some of this or most of the items here, you can use them just like how I use it here. So, shout out, send me a message, and let me know or comment on the video below if you're interested in one of my kits. Bye!